Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today video is all about bedroom designs ideas. Whether you are moving into a new apartment, or just looking to use up your correct space, have got you covered. In this video, I am going to share some of my favorite bedroom design tips and ideas that are sure to inspire you. So let's get started. Choose a color scheme. The first step is designing your bedroom is choosing a color scheme. You want to select colors that make you feel calm and relaxed, since the bedroom is a place of rest and relaxations. Some popular color schemes include cool, glossy, soft green, and natural grays. Once you have selected your color scheme, you can begin to incorporate it into your bedroom curtains and decor. Maximize your space. If you have a small bedroom, it's important to make the most of your space. One way to do this is by selecting furniture that is multifunctional, such as a bed with built-in storage or a nightstand that doubles as a desk. You can also use vertical space by adding shelves or hanging storage solutions. Add personal touches. Your bedroom should be a reflection of your personality and style. One way to add personal touches is by incorporating artwork or photographs that special meanings to you. You can also add decorative pillows, photos that showcase your furniture's colors and patterns. Layer lighting is an important element in any bedroom designs. In addition to overhead lighting, incorporate task lighting such as reading lamps or bedside table lamp. You can also add ambience with candles or sitting lights. Do not forget the details for ingredients. The little details that can really make a bedroom feel complete. Consider adding plants for a touch of beauty, or adding a decorative tray to organize your bedside essentials. You can also incorporate textures with cozy blanket or curtains with interesting patterns. And there you have it, my top bedroom designs, tips and ideas. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Let me know in this comment below which tips was your favorite, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more design inspiring. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks once again. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.